Hi.
Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, Storm, stay behind. Who are you? Storm, step back, step back. I don't know who this is. Just stay behind me. Just in case they're not friendly.
Literally, I only have bread.
Oh, you have bread as well?
I wait. Yes. And toast up a quilt and torch.
Oh, but you're friendly? You're not, like, hostile or evil or anything? Storm,
Yes, I'm friendly.
Do you think we can trust her? I mean, she seems friendly enough. I mean, we can give it a shot, I guess. So, who are you and where did you come from? How did you find our house? Or our area?
I was...
You live over there? Oh.
No, I was over
Oh,
there.
you was over
and
there.
I just went this way.
Oh, okay, well, I've got to say, if you lived over there, I've got to say me and Storm didn't pick out a great spot then, but okay, it's nice to know, I guess. So,
No.
what are you doing here, if you don't mind me asking?
And it started raining.
So,
behind you.
Oh, okay, Storm, get in the house, get in the house. Nightmare Steve, what are you doing here?
Come on.
Great, how come everybody keeps finding our place? Come on, Nightmare Steve, what you got? Oh, okay.
I don't know if that's a safe place for you to go into, but...
Come on, Nightmare Steve. Come on, Nightmare Steve, I've heard many things about you.
Hey, wannabe ruler, over here. Wannabe...
Come on, Nightmare Steve.
Wannabe ruler. Hey, wannabe ruler. You're not the ruler. You're dumb.
Come on, Nightmare Steve. Oh. No, Nightmare Steve. Come on, Nightmare Steve. You want to fight me? Come on, Nightmare Steve. Focus on me. Come on, Nightmare Steve.
Oh no. Yeah, that's good.
Come on, Nightmare Steve. Okay, I can't get near the lava though. Come on, Nightmare. Show me what you got. Come on, Nightmare Steve. Show me what you got. If you're really this strong, then come on. Fight me. Why are you trying to go for an innocent person when you could literally fight me right here? Alright, come on, Nightmare Steve. Show me what you got. A fireball don't even do a thing to me. Ooh, looks like I got you some good hits with some lightning there. Come on, Nightmare Steve. Where do you think you're going? Come on, Nightmare. You know you want this. Up. Where do you think you're running? Yeah, I'm getting some good hits on you now. Why are you running? Why are you such a coward? I think I've lost him. Okay, looks like I'll have to head back. I mean, this rain is pretty thick. Okay, that kind of hurt. Wait, am I? Oh, okay, I'm at the right area. Alright, almost there. Just gotta get to the house and then... Oh, the house looks in pretty good shape, actually. Okay, so let me get in the house. I don't think I'll need my shield for right now. I'll take this off. Okay, Storm must be in the bunker. I'll have to go down there. I need to check on Storm. Storm! Is everything okay down here? Did he hit you, hurt you, or anything like that? Okay, you were safe in the bunker? Okay, good. I see you brought, are you okay?
What happened? What happened?
I'm assuming Nightmare Steve must have hit you during the battle and knocked you out or something. Storm, did you find her unconscious? Or something? Oh, okay. Yeah, that's what happened. Nightmare Steve hit you and you got knocked out. Storm saved you.
Well, I think I made him mad.
Yeah, you definitely made Nightmare mad. I mean, that's alright. I mean, he's Nightmare Steve, so. Are you okay, Storm? Or are you just scared or something? Well, Nightmare Steve is gone. I chased him off. He vanished in the rain, so you don't have to worry about Nightmare Steve. Oh, are you worried about her still?
I don't think you guys are in a safe location anymore.
Yeah, I know, but we just moved here. Storm, why do these things happen? We just moved here. But,
If he knows where you are, then...
yeah. To be honest, I'm more concerned about 303 than I am Nightmare Steve. Nightmare Steve ain't really too awfully bad compared to 303.
That's fair.
So, can I get you some food or anything like that? Do you need some food?
I'm fine. I got bread.
Oh, right. You said you got bread. Okay. I guess we never properly introduced ourselves. Do you want to go first?
Trusted by Nightmare. Yeah. I am Lilith.
Oh, nice to meet you. This is my little brother, Storm, and I'm Blizzard. Don't mind, he's a bit shy. It's okay, Storm. She's friendly.
It's understandable. May I give you a high five?
Okay, so Storm does.
Come here.
Aw. But, yeah, so this is my little brother.
That's a bean. That's a bean.
And these are his dogs. He has 2 of them.
Oh, they're adorable.
No. He managed to find them, about a month ago. And he managed to tame them.
Oh, yeah, I am sorry. I completely interrupted you. My bad.
No, you're fine. To be honest, it's just nice to have some other company other than just me and Storm. I mean, we've pretty much just been living here alone this entire time. Storm's kind of shy, so he prefers to use signs and verbally speaking.
I see.
Yeah, he can talk, he just chooses not to. So.
That's understandable if he is shy.
I mean, to be fair, he is only, he's pretty young.
That one, his name is Otis. Aww, that's adorable.
Yeah, he got these 2 dogs about a month ago. He's been happy with them. But yeah.
That's awesome. That's awesome.
It's a lot more awesome than what happened to us previously. To say the least.
Oh no.
If you
want, you can talk about it.
How about you come upstairs and we can talk about it? I think it'd be better to talk about upstairs in the living room.
Hey.
Storm, do you want to take your dogs? Let's talk upstairs. You don't mind talking about what happened, do you? I mean, as long as you're okay with it, then okay.